Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions. In this video, we're going to be talking about French drains and sump systems. So this is a very common problem that we come across here in the Tampa Bay area. And that problem is when the backyard of a home is a giant bowl and the water cannot escape in any direction. Now, what this ends up being is a lake every time it rains, and then when it's not raining, it ends up just being a really mushy, swampy area. And this most likely is due to a clay pan underneath the soil that is not allowing that water to perk. So what we like to do is install a French drain through the low point of that bowl, and then we run it to a sump pump station. The reason we have to run it to a sump pump station is because in order to get a French drain to drain out, the discharge end has to be lower than the area of collection. If you're trying to discharge a French drain and you are going uphill and there is no place to take it that is lower than that point of collection, your French drain will just hold water. It will never drain out. The area will stay mushy, soggy, and wet, and you will not be moving any water. So when you are installing a French drain in a low area and there's nowhere to take the discharge pipe, you have no choice but to use a sump pump. And unfortunately, this happens quite often. On this particular job, we left it an open French drain in the back as that was the client's request. And for the electrical line, we have it currently hanging in this tree. Yes, I know that looks sketchy, but that is just temporary. The electrician will be running a conduit line all the way to our sump pump station there, and then he will put a receptacle on a post a certain number of feet in the air per the code, and then the sump pump will be plugged directly into that receptacle next to the sump pump station. If you need French drains, downspout drains, channel drains in the Tampa Bay area, give Stormwater Drainage Solutions a call at 813-614-3456. We can come out there, assess the situation, and build a system that fits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It supports the channel, helps out what we do. And until next time, this is Stormwater Drainage Solutions signing off.